So, SoftBank's massive bet on artificial intelligence is starting to worry some investors, with credit markets flashing warning signals as the company pours billions into AI infrastructure projects. So, what's happening? A measure of credit risk has widened sharply to their highest levels in nearly a year. The move signals growing concerns amongst investors about the company's financial exposures to artificial intelligence. At the center of the concern is SoftBank's aggressive investment into OpenAI and the massive Stargate AI infrastructure project. Stargate was announced as a plan to build huge AI data centers across the United States with investments targets as high as $500 billion. But progress on the project has been extremely slower than expected, with reports saying the rollout has been delayed by disagreements between partners and uncertainty over financing and the data center locations. Right. At the same time, SoftBank has dramatically increased its investment in OpenAI, including a $30 billion commitment that has raised concerns about liquidity and leverage. Credit rating agency S&P recently revised SoftBank's outlook from stable to negative, warning that the spending spree could weaken its balance sheet. Investors are now watching closely to see whether SoftBank's huge bet on AI infrastructure will produce long-term returns on investments or increase financial risks. So here's my take on what this means for the AI economy. SoftBank has always been a high conviction investor, with famously made one of the biggest profitable bets in venture capital history with Alibaba. But their strategy has also shown the risks on betting too big too early. And we saw that with WeWork and part of the Vision Fund. Right now, we're watching the same pattern in artificial intelligence potentially unfold. Where the AI infrastructure is expensive, training advanced models requires enormous data centers, specialist chips, and massive energy consumption. Someone has to fund that build out, and SoftBank is trying to be that capital engine. The question investors are asking is simple: is this the next WeWork? So for founders, there's a strategic lesson here. Infrastructure boom creates huge opportunities, but they also create financial excess. The companies that I believe will win won't be the ones spending the most money. They'll be the ones turning AI into real sustainable economic value.